Luke Michael Howard, clinical hypnotist and owner of Hypnosis, here today with another ice bath challenge. It's 5 degrees today. This is the coldest that I've ever been in it. And my goal is to do 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Reason for this, as you can see, it's very snowy. It's winter time here in Canada. Reason for doing this to raise dopamine, naturally, the neurochemical, to feel naturally energized, serotonin to be more balanced. Also to make me feel uncomfortable. I think in life, we're very, very comfortable. So if we can choose challenges that put us under stress, that we're choosing to build up resilience, it's really, really useful for us. So that's another reason for why I'm doing it. So now I'm going to go into the ice bath and we're going to start the clock when I say. So, yeah, I don't know if you want to choose to do this as well. Sometimes people take plunges in the winter time here in Canada. Sometimes people have these expensive ice baths. This one isn't that expensive, actually. It's really good. You ready to start the timer?
Yes.
All right. Tell me when you start it.
3, 2, 1.
All right. I'm going to step into it now. I might not be talking so much as I'm in here. The goal is 2 minutes and about 5 seconds. So, first little bit, body goes into shock, breathing starts to get rapid. You just have to breathe into it. No breath holds, no fancy breathing. Just get used to how uncomfortable it is. So my body starts to regulate. You might be like, why is he doing this? Why is he choosing to do this? Actually, the benefits when I come out after actually make me feel really good for the rest of the day. Now, I've never done drugs before, but from what I'm told, it's like the natural high that you get from stuff like getting high from certain types of drugs that I've never done before. I may ramble a little bit today because it's bloody cold in it. So we're about halfway into it right now. Surprisingly, it's far more comfortable now than as it was when I first got into it. And now really it's just about surviving and just getting used to being uncomfortable, choosing a struggle each day and choosing something to build up resilience. As I've mentioned before, the studies have shown 11 minutes a week, not necessarily in one sitting, but about approximately 2 minutes a day, each day, 6 days a week, has been proven to raise dopamine levels to naturally make you feel high. So if you suffer from depression or seasonal affective disorder, even anxiety, doing this regularly, not suggested it's a cure-all, but doing this regularly can really start to help to balance those neurochemicals in your brain to increase your wellness. We got 15 seconds on the clock, so this is going to break my record today. The coldest part of me now is my feet, is my legs. It's the hardest thing to warm up when I get out, I've noticed. 3, 2, 1, and I break the record. I've been Luke Michael Howard, clinical hypnotist and owner of Hypnosis with the challenge, the ice challenge. Always believe.